Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 3 AG020F, and in this video I am going to show you how to change icon size on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to hold on our wallpaper like this, and now we have to click on the wallpaper and style. Right here we have to scroll down, and here we have to change upgrade, because as you can see right here, upgrade is the only way to change icon size. Here there are very much bigger, and here they are smaller. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!